Anioma people, Anioma people, they will discuss with them and plan how to defend the land. In the night, they'll be discussing with their brother across the bridge. It is the Anioma people who betrayed the whole Midwestern region. The Igbo have already declared Biafra. They sent soldiers to the bridge there, Asaba, so that they won't invade us from the east. They sent soldiers to Lagos Road, the new Lagos Road, for the west not to invade the Midwest, because we don't know our enemy yet. That is what he said, not me. That is what he said. They sent soldiers, they were guided, defended the land. In Ahunshi, soldiers were there so that they won't invade us from the north. They sent soldiers, but the soldiers they sent to Asaba to guide the Midwest was Anioma people, Ika people. Anioma people, they will discuss with them and plan how to defend the land. In the night, they'll be discussing with their brother across the bridge. It is the Anioma people who betrayed the whole Midwestern region.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Benin boy said. He said that Anioma people are brothers with the Southeast. You see, these people will always be shooting themselves in the foot. This same boy will come out tomorrow and tell you that Anioma people are not brothers with the Southeast. Anioma people are not Igbos. He and other Benin people are the ones propagating it online that Anioma people are not Igbos. But in this same video, he said that Anioma people are brothers with the Southeast. How do you think a sensible person will betray people that he speaks the same language with? So you people are expecting we Anioma people to betray the Southeast? That will never happen. We will never betray the Southeast. Any agenda that is against the interest of the Southeast, that is against the interest of the entire Bia-speaking people, we Anioma people will stand against that agenda. Just like he said that Anioma people will go in the night and talk with their brothers in the Southeast. So this is why I'm saying that all those people saying that Anioma people are not brothers with the Southeast, they are wasting their time. We Anioma people are Igbos. Look now, this Benin boy said that Anioma people are Igbos in this video. In other of his videos, he is saying that Anioma people are not Igbos to divide the Igbo race. When it comes to the genocide against the Igbos, when people start talking about Kaduna and Zogo, they will tell you that we Anioma people are Igbos. But when the matter is not about Kaduna and Zogo and the genocide against the Igbos, you will see these enemies telling you that Anioma people are not Igbos. This is what I'm telling Okwane people, Ika people, Enuane people, and Netra people that we all are Igbos. Our enemies know us that we are Igbo people. They know that we are one people with the Southeast. So many Nigerians know this orangutan from Benin. He talks anyhow. You don't see where rats they chop corn. Now so his mouth they go talking rubbish. Today, he go talk Anioma people not Igbos. Tomorrow, he go talk Anioma people not be Igbos. Just like he said, Anioma people betrayed the Midwestern region. Even till today, we will still betray you people. If your agenda is against the Igbo race, we personally go betray you. We go dey betray una. I will always stand against anything that is against the Southeast. I will always stand against anything that is against Anioma people. We will always betray you. Now, he is calling Ika people betrayers. Ika people betray the Midwest. He's calling Okwane people betrayers. Okwane people betray the Midwest. He's calling Enuane people betrayers. Enuane people betray the Midwest. We know our brothers. We Anioma people. We know our brothers. This is to tell you that Anioma people know where they belong. And that is why if we actualize Anioma state, we are expected to make sure that Anioma state is being zoned to the Southeast where we belong. Because we are Igbo people. We are not same people with you people. We are just in Delta State. And in that Delta State, we Anioma people are the Igbos in Delta State. We occupy 9 local governments. We too big to be our own country. We too big to be our own state. Are you expecting we Anioma people to actualize Anioma State and remain in South-South. What are we doing in South-South? We are not the same people with South-South people. How do you expect us to be going to South-South meetings and we will be speaking English language there? If you job people talk, we know they hear. If Ile people talk, we know they hear. If Shakiri people talk, we know they hear. If Calabar talk, we know they hear. We don't hear all those languages. But if we Anioma people are being zoned to the Southeast, and if we Anioma people are going to any Southeast meetings, what we will be speaking there is Igbo language. When we speak Okwane, they hear. When we speak Ika, they hear. When we speak Enwani, they hear. Because we are one people. And if we are being zoned to the Southeast, we will be loved by the entire Southeast because we are one people. Osani Buwene. And they can say Anioma say Nekushi, Kajeni, South-South. Keka Nemeni South-South. Kawe sa Anioma say Jenny South-South. And when Umuwene ni Southeast. Southeast kama ebe okai kanode. And happen there South-South. I need the South-South abu wene. And DJ maybe where they. And Ibu ndokwane and bunde Ibu. Igonti ni fokuni okunishi. And Ibu nde Anioma. She I betray anywhere. During the genocide. Igonti ni fokuni okunishi. And Ibu mwene with nde South. She I need the South Ibu wene. Okune ni video keni. Kaya malinda bu wene ni. Osani Ninda Southeast Buwene and Bunda Igbo. We are Igbo people. And never person go to say, I not be Igbo. See person, they tell you say you be Igbo person. Say, you people betrayed Midwest for the sake of the Southeast. Why did you betray Midwest? Is because you are Igbo. A Fulani man will never betray Fulani people for the sake of the Igbos. You know, go try am. A Yariba man will never betray Yariba people for the sake of an Igbo man, no. A Bini man will never betray Bini people for the sake of an Igbo man. So, how are you expecting we Anioma people, we Igbos in Anioma, to betray the Southeast for the sake of Midwest people? Ona they play. Ona just they play. Any agenda at all that is against Anioma people, we will be against it. Any agenda that is against the Southeast, we must be against it. See, must stay inside. We must be against it. Because anything that affects the Igbo race affects Anioma people. Even though that some Anioma people are saying that they are not Igbos, they are still suffering like the Southeast. Southeast don't see the Igbo, they suffer join. You heard they thought say you not Igbo for Anioma, for South-South. You see they suffer them. You think say you wise. Our enemies know that we are Igbos. If it's better for Anioma people, it's better for the entire Southeast. If it's better for the Southeast, it's better for we Anioma people. Other than the South Igbo suma, or the guy in the Southeast ma, other than the Southeast ma, or the guy in the South Igbo suma. We are one people. We are one family. We will never allow anybody to divide us. Just like I said, any agenda that is against the Southeast, we Anioma people must stand against it. If that agenda starts today, we must stand against it. Just like people are trying to divide us, we Anioma people are standing against it. We carry Igbo unity for head. Igbos must unite. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anybody to divide us. Ishiegwale.